Every part of the avocado plant is rich in nutrients. The leaves are used to make herbs, the fruit is used for delicious recipes like guacamole, and the seed is the main ingredient for making avocado seed tea. Each of these recipes has immense health benefits, and in this video, we will be telling you the health benefits of avocado seed tea. Before we continue, please pause the video and click the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel to continue receiving great content from natural health remedies. Avocados have been nicknamed the olive oil of the Americas for their numerous health benefits. Scientifically known as Persea Americana, the fruit originated from south-central Mexico and has since spread across the world. Although the fruit is desired by many, its hard seed is usually considered inedible and discarded, but this is wrong. Avocado seed, called a pit, is rich in all the nutrients found in the fleshy part of the avocado. It can be processed into tea and has several health benefits. Here are the health benefits of avocado seed tea. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a symptom associated with heart disease and other medical conditions. Avocados contain compounds that soothe pain from inflammation and reduce swelling. 2. Lowers blood pressure. According to research, eating potassium-rich food can be as effective in lowering blood pressure as using potassium chloride drugs. Avocado seed tea is a nutritious source of potassium that lowers blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels in the body. 3. Contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that get rid of free radicals which can become harmful if accumulated in the body. Having excess free radicals in your system greatly affects the immune system and can cause cancer. Drinking avocado seed tea regularly would boost your immune system, protect you from premature aging, and prevent cancer. Antioxidants present in avocado seed tea also help prevent type 2 diabetes. 4. Lowers cholesterol level. Avocado seed tea has bioactive phytochemicals that lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Having a low cholesterol level reduces the risk of developing heart disease. Avocado pit also contains omega-3 fatty acids which are heart-friendly. 5. Good digestive properties. Avocado seeds are rich in fiber which improves gut activities. It controls hunger pangs and improves bowel movement. Digestion problems such as constipation are also treated using avocado seed tea. 6. Good for the skin. Avocado seed tea is a source of vitamin C, a nutrient that assists in repairing skin cells. Food rich in vitamin C promotes collagen production and gives radiant and supple skin. So how can you make avocado seed tea? Firstly, the avocado pit is boiled until it turns soft. Then slice it into small pieces. Add the seed into the water and bring to boil. Strain the mixture and sweeten with honey. Another method of preparing avocado seed tea is by grating the pit. Grate the avocado seeds with a kitchen grater. Dry in the sun or a microwave. Pour a tablespoon of avocado seed powder into a cup of water and bring to boil. Sieve the mixture and sweeten with honey. Avocado seed tea is low in calories and thus, it is a great substitute for soft drinks which are high in calories. Being nutritious and healthy, it should be a permanent staple on your dining table. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be informed whenever we release a new video. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 18 amazing avocado health benefits. I will see you in the next video.